Good day, welcome to our second episode para dun sa aking view and my experiences and what we can learn as a parents bago sa liga or new. Even when our kids is sitting down on the bench, they can still learn from basketball. When they are in the bench, they can immerse themselves na talagang very observant sila. So we should advise our kids na anak, pag nasa bench ka, watch the game. Just observe one person na look at them how they do it whenever they are playing in the court. We can tell the kids na anak, when you're in the bench, so whenever they get a basket, whenever they made a good defense, blocks, cheer them anak. So they also can get strength from you. Focus on your coaches. So listen to the play that will be given for the players na maglalaro inside the court. So tell them whenever there's a huddle, tell them to come so that they can also understand and learn. Oh, okay, so that's how they do it. So that's how the coach will want this player to go to run this play. So our child were not given a long time to play in a basketball league na, oh, I'm gonna pull out my kid. I'm gonna quit now and change my team. It is us parents that should build their attitude towards basketball. Yes, the coaches are there to guide them, to teach them. There will be some lapses. There will never be a perfect team. And there will always be these experiences. So we need to be vocal. And the coaches sometimes they forgot these things na maipasok yung anak natin. Pero it will never be a solution for us, parents, to instill to our kids. Magtampo na bakit ganyan, bakit ganto. You know, better for us new parents in the basketball league na we tell our kids, condition our kids, build their heart and their minds that there's a lot of things to learn from basketball, not only inside the court, but even when we are on the bench. Patience, be understanding, and enjoy the ride. This is just the beginning of the league. You know, there will be a lot of basketball leagues